Hello, my dear friends. I'm Giselle. Today we're talking about a question I hear all the time. Why am I so tired after 60? First, let me say this clearly. Feeling more tired with age is common, and it does not mean you're doing something wrong. Your body simply works differently now. And understanding why can make everything feel less confusing. Let's talk about the real reasons simply and calmly. 1. Your body uses energy differently. After 60, your metabolism slows naturally, your cells take a bit longer to recover, and your muscles store less energy than before. So, even normal activities, walking, housework, errands, may feel more tiring. This is a normal expected change, not a failure. 2. Sleep becomes lighter. Many people say, I slept 8 hours, but I still feel tired. That's because deep sleep shortens with age. Even small interruptions, stress, screens, irregular bedtime can reduce energy the next day. When sleep quality drops, daytime energy drops too. 3. Muscle loss affects energy more than people think. After 60, natural muscle loss increases. When the muscles of the legs, hips, and core weaken, the body has to work harder for simple movements. This extra effort feels like fatigue, heaviness, low motivation. Even light daily movement can make a big difference. 4. Circulation changes. Blood flow naturally slows with age. When oxygen and nutrients reach the brain and muscles more slowly, the entire body feels low energy. Gentle movement, even a short walk, helps to help circulation quickly. 5. Emotional load becomes heavier. Fatigue after 60 isn't just physical. Stress, worry, loneliness, overwhelm, or big life changes can quietly drain energy. The body responds to emotional pressure with physical tiredness. It's a very real connection. The encouraging part, low energy after 60 doesn't mean you're weak or sick or losing your ability to enjoy life. Most causes of fatigue come from small, everyday factors, not dramatic problems. Tiny adjustments in movement, sleep habits, hydration, and routines can help your energy return step by step. My dear friends, if you've been feeling tired, please don't blame yourself. Your body is adapting and it deserves kindness, not pressure. I'm Giselle, and in the next video, we'll continue taking smarter, gentler steps together. Take good care of yourselves.